Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a surprise unboxing video because I've just had the biggest surprise, and this parcel has arrived in the post, so we're going to unbox it together. Okay, so I'm going to open this box, and this parcel has been sent to me by John O'Brien in California, and John has been a subscriber to my channel for a long period of time, and I know because I've chatted with him over various plants. And the surprising thing, I suppose, about John is that he's not primarily concerned with orchids. He's more into other kinds of plants, and most of the people on my channel who I chat with, well, you know, it's all about orchids. People who are interested in the other aspects of my channel don't seem to communicate that much. But in any case, I have not been in contact with John for a while, and this is completely out of the blue. I was not expecting this at all, and I have no idea what it is. And oh my goodness, it's a book. Irish Gardens by Edward Himes and William McQuitty, and this is the iconic garden off the coast of Kerry, whose name escapes me just now. So this has come all the way from California, and it's a book on Irish gardens. Let me just find the year for this now. Okay, so this is from 1967. Wow. And a foreword from somebody in Massachusetts, Daniel J. Foley. And let's see what gardens are featured. My goodness. Mount Usher, Anne's Grove, Glenveigh. Wow, fantastic. Burcastle. I am absolutely delighted to get this book. Wow, what a find. Thank you so much, John. I'm really kind of gobsmacked. Okay, so there we go. Thanks a million to John in California for sending me this book. What a thoughtful and wonderful thing to send me. I'm really over the moon. I'm just a bit kind of like blown away at the moment. That's why I'm a bit, you know, autumn isn't the best time for me, generally speaking anyway. I suppose I've been feeling a bit sorry for myself. So, you know, my mood is a bit lower than it should be for getting such an amazing, wonderful present. And thank you so much, John. And hope to hear from you soon on the channel, because I have no other way to contact you. Okay, that's all for now. Bye.